Okay, next eighth problem. Eighth and ninth both are same. Important. If 25 into 9x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 15 into 5xy plus yz plus 3zx equal to 0. Then x, y, z are in dash. Options లో A, B, G, P, H, P అలా ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ మోడల్లో చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. కాన్సెప్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఆల్రెడీ యూజ్ చేసాము. If we have the expression, the equation in the form a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac equal to 0. Implies we can say that a equal to b equal to c. This one implies we can write a equal to b equal to c. Because this is nothing but a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. That is possible only when a equal to b equal to c. Therefore, we have to express this one into this form: a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Okay. So 25 into 9, 225x square can be expressed as 15x whole square. 25y square can be expressed as 5y whole square. 9z square means 3z whole square. Okay. 15 into 5 xy. 15yz means 5 into 3 into 15x into 5 minus 15yz can means 5y into 3z. Okay. Next 15 into 3 75. Therefore minus 15x into 55 6 75 3z equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c. Implies we can write a equal to b equal to c means 15x equal to 5y equal to 3z. Divide it to 15. That is LCM of coefficients. X by 1 equal to y by 3 equal to z by 5. Thus x is to y is to z equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5 means they are in A. Okay. Same like 9th one కూడా చూడండి, same అదే మోడల్. See 10th one. If pth term of AB is 1 by q, that means Pp equal to 1 by q. Qth term of AB is 1 by p. Then sum of first two PQ terms means SPQ required. See one of the standard results. Pth term is 1 by q. Qth term is 1 by p, then formula for first term and common difference equal to 1 by pq. Now required is sum of first two pq terms, formula n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into b. pq by 2 plus 2 into a is 1 by pq plus b is also 1 by pq. Now multiply pq by 2 into 2 by pq. 1 plus pq cancel, pq minus 1 by 2. So all simplify. A equal to T equal to 1 by PQ by using that one problem easier. Next important, 11th, very important. Advanced లో కూడా ఉంటాయి వాటి నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ HP లో కూడా వస్తాయి అదే మోడల్. HP లో ఉన్న రెసిప్రోకల్స్ AP లో తీసుకొని మనం ఇలాగే చేస్తాం. So given that A1, A2 and so on, AN are in AP. Then required first one 1 by root A1 plus root A2 plus 1 by root A2 plus root A3 and so on, 1 by root AN minus 1 plus root of AN equal to, this is first one. Second one, 1 by A1 A2 plus 1 by A2 A3 plus and so on, 1 by AN minus 1 into AN. Say given that A1 A2 A3 and so on are in AP, means second one minus first one equal to third one minus second one equal to fourth one minus third one and so on equal to AN minus 1 are equal. I am assuming common difference of the given AP is D. Now required, rationalize each denominator, means multiply dividing with root A1 minus root A2 by rationalizing denominator, in denominator A1 minus A2 plus same root A2 minus root A3 by A2 minus A3 plus and so on. Similarly, root of AN minus 1 minus root of AN by AN minus 1 minus A2. So from this is minus D. A2 minus A1 is D. Therefore this is minus D. This is also minus D. And so on. This is also minus D. Now LCM is minus D. By adding all numerator terms, minus root A2 plus root A2, minus root A3 plus A root 3 and so on, get root A1 minus root AN. Again rationalize this one. Multiply dividing with root A1 plus root AN, then A1 minus AN by minus D into root A1 plus root AN. Now I am adding all these terms, first one plus second one plus third one and so on. By adding all these terms, plus A2 minus A2 cancel, plus A3 minus A3 cancel, already cancelled. Then minus final minus A1 plus AN equal. Therefore AN minus A1 equal to, thus D plus D plus D plus D plus and so on. There are n minus 1 terms. See, 1 to n minus 1. Therefore n minus 1 terms. So by adding all these terms, multiply మొత్తం cancel అయిపోయి first small one minus A1, last to be 1 AN, D plus D plus D plus and so on, n minus 1 times is n minus 1 into D. So from this, now from this we can replace A1 minus AN by minus D. A1 minus AN by minus D can replace with n minus 1. Thus n minus 1 by root A1 plus root AN. So final answer, that is. See next similar one. This is in this one, second one. Given one same A1, A2, A3 and so on are in A. See this one. This is required. Multiply and dividing into d. Common difference. D by a1 a2 plus d by a2 a3 and so on. D by an minus 1 d1. First, I am replacing first d with a2 minus a1 because denominator contain a1 and a2. I am replacing second d with a3 minus a2 because denominator contain a2 and a3. So I think all of you understood an minus a1. Now divide. a2 minus a1 by a1 a2. a2 a2 cancel. That's 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a2 minus 1 by a3 and so on. 1 by an minus 1 minus 1 by a. All middle terms to be cancelled. First one and last one. Now 1 by a1 minus 1 by a. Now this is nothing but an minus a1 by a1 into an. Now again from this an minus a1 by d can replace with to n minus 1. So final answer n minus 1 by a1 into an. Okay. Same in harmonic progression. It one's next week 12th one. If a1, a2, a3 and so on an are in unity, with common difference d, then find the value of secant a1 into secant a2 plus secant a2 into secant a3 and so on. Secant an minus 1 into secant a1. Similarly, cosecant. So concept same. 10th 11th ఎలా చేసామో సేమ్ అలాగే 11th ఎలా చేసామో సేమ్ అలాగే. Secant means 1 by cos. So first given one is nothing but 1 by cos a1 into 1 by cos a2 plus 1 by cos a2 into cos a3 and so on. 1 by cos a n minus 1 into cos a. So మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో చాలా డిస్కస్ చేసాం. Both cos terms and or both sin terms, then working rule multiply and dividing with sign of difference. Now at the same time I am multiplying and dividing with sin d. Here sin d, here sin d, here sin d. But here I am replacing d with a2 minus a1. Here d with a3 minus a. And so here I am replacing d with an minus an minus. Apply sign of a minus b form. And at the same time divide into these two. Sin of a2 minus a1 formula. Sin a2 cos a1 by cos a1 cancel. Sin a2 by cos a2 is tan a2 minus tan a1. So you understood. Similarly, next tan a3 minus tan a2 plus tan a4 minus tan a3 n minus 1. So clear, all middle terms cancel. Tan A3 and so on. Last to tan A, front to tan A. So 1 by sin means general cosecant is the optionals. So final answer cosecant B into tan A minus tan A1. There are two options, depends on optional. So we can convert this tan ratio in terms of sin and cos. Same like cosecant. Next to the second part. Cosecant A1 into cosecant A2. Cosecant means 1 by sin. Same multiplying dividing with sin of A2 minus A1 etc. Sum lo manaki ikkada cos vastadi. Tan place lo cos vastadi. That is difference. See 13th one. If the sums of first two n terms of three different ABs are capital S1, capital S2, capital S3, and first term of each AB is unity, means 1. Common differences are 1, 2, 3. Then required S1 plus S3 by S2. There are three APs. Sum of first two n terms of first two AP is S1, second AP is S2, third AP is S3. So common difference of APs 1, 1, 1. Sorry, first term of three APs are equal to 1, but common differences are different. They are 1, 2, 3. Now required S1 plus S3 by S2. Just by using formula get required. S1 is sum of first two n terms of AP. Formula n by 2 into A is 1 plus n minus 1 into common difference is also 1 plus S3 is also sum of first two n terms 2A same, but common difference is 3 by S2. N by 2 2A plus n minus 1 is, but common difference is plus n by 2, n by 2, n by 2 cancel. Just to simplify, terms 2 plus first 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1 cancel, then n plus 3n. So numerator 4n. Thus 2 minus 2 cancel 2n. 4n by 2n. So clearly 2. Independent of n. This model every new problems also already. Three different APs, first two terms, common differences change చేస్తా ఉంటారు. Next easy important problem. Sides of right angle triangle are in AP. Sides of right angle triangle are in AP. Then sine of acute angles. Sines of acute angles. Only one triple. There exists only one triple. There are three sides, three values which are in AP and sides of right angle triangle. That is possible only when numbers 3, 4, 5. Now required sines of acute angles. Sin alpha and sin beta required. Clearly, sin alpha is 4 by 5 and sin beta is 3 by 5. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So answer 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Next important model. The logarithm related is solving. Logarithms lo unte ikkada unte trigonometry lo sequence 1 comma log of base 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 comma log of 4 into 3 power x minus 1 base 3 all in AB. Then the value of x. So given that if these three are in AB, solve the equation number of values of x etc. Same alage GP లో వస్తాయి, HP లో వస్తాయి, వేరే అదర్ లెసన్స్ లో కూడా వస్తాయి. సో ఈ లాగరిథం రిలేటెడ్ ఇచ్చి సాల్వింగ్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో క్లియర్ 3 terms are in AP, the condition 2 equal to a plus c. A, B, C are in AP, then second one minus first one equal to third one minus second one. So clearly from this 2b equal to a plus c. So 3 terms A, B, C are in AP, then condition 2b equal to a plus c. Means 2 times of second one equal to first one plus the third one. Therefore 2 times of second one. 2 into log base 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 equal to 1 plus third one 4 into 3 power x minus 1 base 3. So log base 3 log base 3. Therefore 1 can be replaced with log 3 base 3. Okay. Log a plus log b. Log a into b. Log base 3 into 4 into 3 power x minus 1. The 2 ni replace the losses. Both sides I am eliminating log base 3. Now 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 whole square equal to 3 into 4 into 3 power x minus 1. Now I am assuming 3 power x equal to some t. 3 power 1 minus x means 3 by 3 power x means t plus 2 whole square. 4 into 3 12t minus 3. So by simplify get some polynomial equation in the variable t by solving get the value of t. Okay. Right. Next problem. 16th problem. Given that given that a plus b by 1 minus ab comma b plus c by 1 minus bc are in AP, then c abc comma a are in dash. ఈ మోడల్ లో అన్ని బుక్స్ లో డిఫరెంట్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ న్యూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. సో సమ్ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ దెన్ ది నంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ అలా ఏబి జీపీ హెచ్పి ఏబి జీపీ ఏబి ఏపీ జీపీ హెచ్పి రకరకాలు ఉంటాయి. దీస్ త్రీ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ దీస్ త్రీ ఆర్. సో త్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఏపీ మీన్స్ సెకండ్ వన్ మైనస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈక్వల్ టు థర్డ్ వన్ మైనస్ సెకండ్ వన్. బి మైనస్ a plus b by 1 minus ab equal to b plus c by 1 minus bc minus b. Just simplify LCM. So b minus ab square minus a minus b. b we can see. Say minus b plus b square c plus b we can see. taking minus c common, 1 plus b square by 1 minus ab equal to, by taking c common, get 1 plus b square by 1 minus bc. Just simplify, cross multiply చేయండి, మొత్తం cross multiply చేస్తే clearly 2abc equal to a plus c వస్తుంది. Means 2 times of second one equal to first one plus third one. Therefore these are also in a. Note this, that cross multiply చేయండి, మొత్తం cancel అయిపోయి ఈ 3 terms ఉంది, 2abc equal to a plus. Clearly the required are in AP. Next similar one, see 17th one. If ABC are in AP, ABC are in AP, then A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, comma B into 1 by A plus 1 by C, comma C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in dash. Okay. One of the properties of AP, two properties. So A1, A2, A3 and so on are in AP. If the numbers are increased by the same number, then the new numbers are also in AP. Numbers are decreased by the same any real number, then the new numbers are also in AP. Numbers are multiplied by any non-zero real number, then the numbers are also, the new numbers are also in AP. I will just show you. Given that A, B, C are in AP, first I have multiplied each number with 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into A, comma 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into B, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into C are also in A, because each number multiplied by the sum number. The new numbers are also in A. Now 1 by B plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into A, 1 by A into A and plus 1 also. Okay, same. 1 by A plus 1 by C into B plus 1. 1 by A plus 1 by B into C plus 1 are in A. Just simplify this. Now I am subtracting 1 from each term. Then new numbers are also in AP from one of the properties. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 is there. They are also in AP. That is required. So these are in AP and those are also in AP. Okay. See next 18th one. If x comma y comma z are in AP, then and also tan inverse x comma tan inverse y comma tan inverse z also in AP. Then optionals are relations among x, y and z. What are the relations? And x equal to y plus z, x equal to y equal to z plus z. Given that first two things, x, y, z are in AP means 2y equal to x plus z. Same, these are in AP means 2 times of second one equal to first one plus third one. A, B, C are in AP, 2b equal to a plus c. 2 tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of z. In first year inverse trigonometric functions formula, 2 tan inverse y formula, tan inverse of 2y by 1 minus y square. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse z formula, tan inverse of x plus z by 1 minus x. మీకు రివర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ చెప్పలేదు యాక్చువల్గా 30% డిలీటెడ్ ఈజీ 2 tan inverse y అంటే tan 2 theta ఫార్ములా 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square. tan inverse x plus tan inverse z అంటే tan of a plus b ఫార్ములా tan inverse tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So both sides tan inverse delete చేస్తే 2y by 1 minus y square equal to x plus z by 1 minus x. Given that 2y equal to x plus z, 1 cancel. Minus y square equal to x z means y square equal to x z. Means x, y, z are in GP. What is the first thing already? A, B, C are in GP means b square equal to AC. So y square equal to x z means x, y, z are in GP. But given that x, y, z are in AP, we have x, y, z are in GP. So numbers are in both AP and GP, or GP and HP, or AP and HP, or AP, GP, HP. If and only if the numbers are equal. So three numbers are in AP given, we obtain GP. So from these two, terms are in AP and GP is possible only when the numbers are equal. So answer x equal to y equal to z. Next problem. 19th one. 19th one is like a logarithm sum model. If trigonometry link up, if 3 power 2 sin 2x minus 1 comma 14 comma 3 power 4 minus 2 sin 2x are in AP, then x equal to, okay, given that these three numbers are in AP, follow the equation. Three numbers are AP means 2b equal to a plus c. So a plus 2b, 28. A plus c, 3 power 2 sin 2x minus 1 plus 3 power 4 minus 2 sin 2x. This can be expressed as 3 power 2 sin 2x by 3. This can be expressed as 81 by 3 power 2 sin 2x. I am assuming 3 power 2 sin 2x is some t. Then 28 equal to t by 3 plus 81 by t. Get quadratic in the variable t. LCM 3t t squared plus 243. Quadratic in the variable t squared minus 84t plus 243 equal to 0. So clearly 81 please. T minus 81 t minus 3. Thus t equal to 81 or 3. But t is 3 power sin 2 sin 2x. Therefore 3 power 2 sin 2x equal to 81. Means 3 power 4. By equating these two, sin 2x equal to 2. Sin 2x equal to 2 is not possible, which is contradiction. So other one 3 power 2 sin 2x equal to 3 power 1. Thus sin 2x equal to 1. 1 means sin pi by 2. General solution. Last year online class was IBM lesson already. Sin theta equal to sin alpha, general solution. Theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So in the place of theta there is 2x. Therefore 2x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. Our required solution x equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 2. So there are formula for general solutions. We will by heart check. Sin theta equal to sin alpha implies theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Okay. Sin 2x equal to 1 by 2 means sin pi by 6. Therefore x equal to by 12. Trigonometry related solving number of solutions in the interval. General solution. General solution number of solutions in the interval 0, pi, in the interval 0, 2 pi, like that. Trial and error by n place 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 అలా చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. అక్కడ n belongs to z అక్కడ. Next C20. Interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120. Common difference is 5 degrees. Then number of sides of the polygon. Okay. Angles of the polygon are in AP. Number of sides is required. Formula for sum of interior angles of polygon of n sides. First మీకు 10 plus range geometry లో వస్తుంది. Sum of interior angles of polygon of n sides is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Angles are in AP. First angle is 120. Okay, first angle. Common difference is 5. And second angle 125. Third angle 130. Fourth angle 135. Required is n value. Okay, we know that sum of interior angles formula n minus 2 into 180 means Sn. I am finding sum of interior angles. The interior angles మొత్తాన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 120, 125, 130, 135 also. They are in AP. With the first term 120. Common difference 5. So sum of in terms of AP means sum of interior angles of the polygon. For that formula n minus 2 into 180. Formula for n by 2 into 280. 2 into 120. 240. Plus n minus 1 into d 5 degrees equal to n minus 2 into 180. So from this we can find the value of n. That is 9. 9 was simplify this. Okay. So by heart మీకు ఇట్లా కొంచెం ఫార్ములా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ఎంతో వస్తుంది ఆల్రెడీ. ఫార్ములా ఫర్ sum of interior angles of any polygon of n sides is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Next 21. The sum of integers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 2 or 5. 1, 2, 3 and so on 100. Required is sum of numbers from 1 to 100 they are divisible by 2 or 5. Divisible by 2. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on. Divisible by 5. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus and so on. మరి వీటిలో రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. ఇందులో 10 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 10 వస్తుంది, 20 వస్తుంది, 20 వస్తుంది. We have to subtract divisible by 10. LCM of 2, 5, 10. 10, 20 and so on. This is required. Sum of the numbers from 1 to 100 they are divisible by 2 or 5. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 5. Minus divisible by 2 and 5. Because 10, 20, 30, 40 repeated 2 times. ఇందులో వస్తే ఇందులో వస్తుంది. మనం 1 టైం కదా 2 టైమ్స్ వచ్చింది కదా 1 టైం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. అదే ఫార్ములా A or B n of A union B equal to ఫార్ములా n of A సెట్స్ లో వస్తుంది కదా n of B minus n of A intersection B. Intersection divisible by 2 and divisible by 5 means divisible by 10. Yes, 2, 4, 6 and so on 100 అంటే మొత్తం నంబర్ 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 50 అంటే number of terms 50. Therefore n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 5 into 1, 5 into 10 and so on 5 into 20 that's 100 means sum of 20 terms n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d 10 into 1 and so on 10 into 100 10 into 10 therefore that is the sum of 10 terms of AP n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just by simplify that is required. Next, say 22nd arithmetic means. ఒకసారి arithmetic means స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ఆ క్లాస్ నోట్స్ లో arithmetic means చదవండి. ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు చూడండి. If there exists n arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers a comma b, then they are in AB. Formula for common difference b minus a by n plus 1. Formula for arc arithmetic mean a plus r into b minus a by n plus 1. Formula for sum of n arithmetic means is n into a plus b by 2. So we have to find by heart these three. See 22nd one. If n AMs are inserted between two numbers 2, 38, the sum of resulting progression is 200, then n equal to. Okay, now today n arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers 2 and 38. అంటే a ప్లేస్ లో 2 ఇచ్చారు, b ప్లేస్ లో 38 ఇచ్చారు, n ప్లేస్ లో n. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది రిజల్టింగ్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. రిజల్టింగ్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అంటే ఈ మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసేది, అంటే a ప్లస్ a1 ప్లస్ a2 ప్లస్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ an ప్లస్ b వాల్యూ 200, దెన్ n వాల్యూ. సో గివెన్ ఏంటంటే a ప్లస్ a1 ప్లస్ a2 plus an plus b. Not only sum of n arithmetic means sum of total a and ichcharu, ante including a and b equal to 200, right? A value 2, b value 38, rendu add chesthe 40. There is formula for sum of a1 a2 and so on an, that is this one, n into a plus b by 2, so 40 by 2, 20 equal to 200. Now required 200 minus 40, 160 by 20. So 8 answer. And value 8. Okay, don't easy. But the formula is complete. Because J by mistake ఏంటంటే sum of progression అంటే only a1 to an తీసుకుంటాం. Here given is not sum of n arithmetic means sum of total arithmetic progression, and including a and b. Next one also related to the same concept. See, 23rd. If n ams are inserted between 20 and 80, means a value 20, b value 80, such that ratio of first mean to the last mean is 1 by 3, then the value of n. Required given is the ratio of first mean and last mean equal to 1 by 3, then the value of n. Formula for rth mean. Rth mean is this one. So a1 from this formula a1 equal to a plus means 20 plus r means 1, b minus a means 60 by n plus 1, n plus 1 whole divided by last arithmetic mean అంటే an and r plus లో n, a plus n into 60 by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus. So they simplify this the a value 20. Just simplify get the value of n. See next 24th one. If n ams are inserted between n and 3n plus 2, then 10th am is n ams are inserted between n and 3n plus 2, and the value of a is n, the value of b is 3n plus 2, required is 10th am, and a10 required. From the formula a10 formula, a plus 10 into b minus a by n plus 1. Okay, this is required. A is n plus b minus c, 3n plus 2 minus n అంటే 2n plus 2 by n plus 1 cancel 20. So answer 20 plus n in terms of n function. Okay. Next easy and important 25th one. If a power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is arithmetic mean of a comma b. Then the value of n equal to optionals 0, 1, minus 1, 1 by 2. If this is given that this is arithmetic mean of a comma b, we know that arithmetic mean of a comma b is a plus b by 2. But given a power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1. These two are equal. These two are equal clearly only when n equal to, from the optionals. Optional observed. When n is 0, clearly not equal. When n is 1, n plus the 1 is 1. A plus b, 1 plus 1. So separate. So when n equal to 1, both are equal. అలాగే సేమ్ జామెట్రిక్ మీన్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ కూడా వస్తుంది. Sixth one. If the sum of m arithmetic means between two positive numbers is alpha, okay, sum of n arithmetic means between two same numbers is beta, then alpha by beta equal to, there are two numbers a comma b, this is okay, sum of m ams. There is formula for sum of n arithmetic means, that is n into a plus b by 2. Therefore, sum of m arithmetic means is m into a plus b by 2. That is equal to alpha. Next, sum of n arithmetic means is beta. Means n into a plus b by 2 equal to beta. These are given. Now required is alpha by b. Clearly alpha by beta equal to m by n, because a plus b by 2 cancel, numbers are same number. Next, 27th one. Given that n arithmetic means are inserted between two sets of numbers a comma 2b and 2a comma b, nth mean of two sets of numbers are same, then a into b equal to, a by b, then a by b equal to required. See, there are n arithmetic means are inserted between two sets of numbers. So, a to b. వీటి మధ్యలో n arithmetic means a1, a2 and so on. Next, another set of numbers 2a, b. There are n arithmetic means inserted between 2a comma b. Okay, now and also given that nth mean of two sets, nth mean, right? So ఇవేమో a1, a2 and so on, ఇవేమో a1 dash, a2 dash అనుకుంటే, given that an equal to an dash, nth mean of this one equal to nth mean of this one. Rth arithmetic mean formula, rth arithmetic mean formula a plus r into b minus a by n plus 1. A అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, b is last term. Okay, n stand for number of arithmetic means which are inserted between two fixed numbers. R means one arithmetic mean R. So an a. So I am applying this formula. A is a plus in the place of R there is n. B minus a and then 2b minus a by n plus 1 equal to a n dash. A and 2a. N is n. B minus a means b minus 2 by n plus 1. Now from this we need the value of a by b. Just simplify. A into n plus 1, 2a into n plus 1. First n plus 1 cancel. Simplify on both sides. On both sides n cancel అయిపోతుంది. Direct గా b by a వచ్చేస్తుంది. And the answer independent of n. Independent of n. Next. If 28, if nth terms of two sequences, ఒకటేమో 3, 10, 17 and so on, other one 63, 65, 67 and so on are equal, then unequal. First sequence 3, 10, 17 and so on. Second sequence 63, 65, 67 and so on. So nth term of first one and nth term of second one are equal, then unequal. That formula, nth term of AP formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 3 plus n minus 1, d value 7 equal to. Similarly, nth term of this one, a plus n minus 1, common difference is 2. Then clearly you can find the value of n, that is 30. Next, 29. If sum of n terms of the series is given, then number of terms. Direct. So clearly sequence 29th term. Clearly sequence 2, 5, 8 and so on. So sum of, there is formula for sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a means 4 into n minus 1, d value 3. This is given, that is 6, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now you can find the value of n by simplifying, get quadratic in the variable n, by factors get the two values of n. Of them one is I think negative. So only n is number of terms means n is always positive integer. So answer positive integer. Next 30. A1, A2, A3 and so on are in AP such that A1 plus A5 and so A10, A50, A50, A20, A24 equal to 450. Then required A1 plus A8 plus A7 plus A24. Very important. AP లో highest times repeat అయిన మోడల్ మెయిన్స్ లో ఉంది అడ్వాన్స్ లో ఉంది రెండిట్లో ఉంది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇలా టూ మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఒక మోడల్, ఇది జస్ట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ AP given and sum of other various terms required. So A1 is first term means A. A5 is fifth term. Fifth term of AP. General formula A plus 40. A plus n minus 1 into D. 5 minus 1 means 10th term. A plus 90. 15th term. A plus 14b, 20th term, A plus 19b, 24th term, A plus 23b equal to 450. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6a plus 4 plus 9. So I am counting these 4 plus 9, 13 plus 14, 27 plus 9, 19, 46, 46 plus 23, 69, 69 equal to 450. Leave it. Now see the required. A1 is A80 is A plus 70, A7 is A plus 60, A24 is A plus 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 4A, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 23, 36D. ఇప్పుడు దీని నుంచి indirectly this is given and this is required. ఓకే, దీని నుంచి ఇది రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలో చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. సో ఇక్కడేమో 6 ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడేమో 4 కదా. ఫస్ట్ వీటిల్లో 3తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ 3తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 2a ప్లస్ 2 3s 3 కదా, 3 2s 3 3s equal to 350, 150, 2a plus 23b, 36 and finish required. Required is A1 plus A8 plus A17. This is 17 means 16d. Okay. Therefore, number of days 7 plus 16, 23 plus 23, 46. Given implies 2a plus 23d equal to 50. Okay. Right. This is 46. So by taking 2 common, 2a plus 23d. Now we can replace 2a plus 23d with 150. That's 2 into 150, 300. A combination of sum of the combinations of some AP terms given implies they can ask what is the sum of some combinations of AP terms. So by using this one, we have to express required in terms of given. Okay, this is very important. So some more problems we will discuss in next class. Okay.